Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, my name is Cra'Deja, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a part 2 to my glueless wig install series. Y'all, this wig I got is a 22-inch 360 lace frontal wig. It is pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-curled, so this is the perfect wig for beginners. Another thing is that it has the drawstring, the Invisi straps. Y'all, if you want to use the drawstring, you can tie it at your nape to tighten it, and it will literally just bring the lace together to make it a perfect seamless install in the back of your head. So as you guys can see, I am just sizing this wig up. I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses cream foundation. I always use this for all my installs, and I'm just applying this on the lace so that I can get that perfect and seamless look. So about the lace is a transparent lace. It isn't HD lace, but it does blend very nicely into your skin. And the only product that I will be using for this video is the Even Hairspray in this black can. It is the Extreme Hold, and this is what I use for basically all of my glueless installs right now. So because the wig came pre-cut, it made it super duper easy when it came down to installing this wig, and honestly it fit my hairline a lot better than what I anticipated. Even around the ear tap area, it was already curved out, so it makes it easier to cut the ear taps off of your ears as well. But I'm just applying this wig onto that spray, and then I'm just tapping my finger to reinforce the wig and the lace going into my skin. When it comes down to the glueless installs, you definitely kind of want to hold it until it gets a little bit tacky, and then you're going to apply that wig band to keep it in place and just set the spray. So now I'm going in and I'm trying to figure out how I want to wear my hair. This wig was super duper beautiful and it was very versatile. I thought about doing a side part. I even thought about doing a half up, half down, and essentially that is what I decided to go for. But you guys can see, like, this lace is already looking really, really good. And when you go in with your Even Hairspray, if there are some areas that didn't sit into the spray how you wanted it to, just go ahead and apply some more spray and then press your lace into your skin. Now I'm using some heat to make sure that it's good and stuck down to my head, and it is looking very good. So I also decided to do some very light baby hairs. I wanted to go for a natural look, but I still wanted to be like super duper cute. So I decided to take a very thin layer of hair out for my baby hairs. And if you need to, you can definitely go in and pluck some more of this lace so that you can get that perfect look that you want. You don't have to. It's definitely down to preference, because if you just want it to stay how it is and just continue to be how it came already pre-plucked, that is perfectly fine. You don't have to do this part. This part is definitely optional. But for the specific look that I wanted to go for, I definitely was like, let me go ahead and pluck a little bit more of the baby hairs. I only had to do it on this side here. I didn't have to do it on the other side because the other side was kind of like already perfectly thinned out to my liking. So for this side only is what I decided to go in and get that more pulled look. So as you guys can see, I'm pulling the drawstrings to tighten the nape part of this wig, and it was perfect. It was easy. That's all you have to do. Pull the drawstrings and slide the little rubber parts up, and it was tightened in the back perfectly. This wig is super duper full, super duper cute, and I was kind of like, okay, well, how do I want to wear this hair? Like I said, I did decide on a half up, half down, but I'm just showing you guys that you can just wear it in a ponytail, get it off of your neck, and it'll be perfect. It's good. So I'm going in because I did decide to do a half up, half down look. When it comes down to ponytails, I feel like you have to go in a little bit more when it comes down to plucking, just to get it to look as natural as possible. Sometimes just leaving it a little bit thicker, you can kind of get away with it when it comes down to middle parts and even some side parts. But when it comes down to any ponytail style, you want to make sure that the lace is plucked pretty well so that you get that seamless look as much as possible. This is already so cute. Can y'all believe that this is glueless? Like, this is literally insane. This looks so good. But now I'm going in and I'm trying to just basically get an idea of how I want my ponytail to be. So I just put it in that ponytail, but I knew that I was going to pluck some more. I'm using my hot comb here to make sure that it gets nice and sleek. And then I'm going to take that hair out and I'm going to put it back into the ponytail that I actually want to wear. Super cute. This is just so pretty. These curls are very, very nice as well. So I decided to go in with an accessory. I never wear accessories in my hair, but I thought that I was feeling very cute, you know, feeling very girly. So I decided to go in with this big white bow. I thought it was a perfect added touch to this style. And now I'm going in and I'm doing my baby hairs. I use my pencil flat iron to make sure that I get that nice and fluffy look that I wanted. And then I'm taking my razor, kind of doing it at a angle, kind of jagged edge, and just trying to get my baby hairs to look as natural as possible. For my baby hairs, I did use that even hairspray. I applied a little bit to my finger and I'm kind of going in and kind of shaping my baby hairs how I want them to be. And then once I'm done shaping them, I'm going to go in with that same edge brush and I'm going to basically fluff at them a little bit and get them to look more natural. Y'all see that lace blend? Like, this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. It's not as good as HC lace, but it is a great lace and it is transparent. So this is the end of the video, y'all. Y'all see that I was able to pin it up in a bun. But if you guys want to follow me on social media, you can follow me at TikTok and Instagram. But that is all for this video. And thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.